Slope the bottom of a basement window well gently toward the drain to keep water from pooling and protect your egress window. The practical thumb rule is to create a slope of 1 to 2% toward the drain, which means dropping the bottom by 1 to 2 inches for every 100 inches of run, so measuring and grading carefully is critical. Start by excavating the well to final depth and compact the subgrade lightly to avoid future settlement that would alter the slope. Place a bedding layer of clean, angular gravel at least 2 inches deep, then shape the gravel so the low point aligns with the drain outlet. Gravel provides void space for water and supports the perforated drain pipe. Use a 6-inch to 8-inch perforated drain pipe wrapped in filter fabric if silty soils are present, and tie that pipe into the foundation drain or route it to the sump pump discharge line. Make sure the pipe runs with a positive fall equal to or greater than the 1 to 2% in the well. Add a rigid or corrugated well liner seating on the gravel, but do not block the drain inlet, and hand tamp the backfill in lifts to maintain the intended slope without crushing the pipe. Finish with a clear, rigid cover to keep debris out and install a ladder or steps meeting egress codes so the well remains functional and safe for escape. Common mistakes include creating a flat bottom that traps water, which you avoid by regrading to the 1 to 2% slope and confirming with a level and string line before placing gravel. Another frequent issue is using too fine backfill material that clogs the perforated pipe, so always use washed gravel and wrap pipe in filter fabric. If the pipe still clogs, consider replacing the immediate surround with larger stone and flushing the line. Homeowners often neglect covers or debris screens, allowing leaves to block the drain, so install a fitted clear cover and clean it seasonally to preserve flow and visibility. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives contractors an easy way to find new work related to window wells, drainage upgrades, and basement egress projects. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals can ask questions, share photos, and compare techniques for grading, drainage, and installation.